guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ham and I am so excited to be here with you guys for another video. And this is just an updated video from my previous one. So you guys, if you watched that one, you would know that I recently lost my hair. Well, I suffered from a mild case of alopecia, but my hair did end up growing back, but I just shaved it all off so that it is even, and now I'm on a journey. I'm just growing my hair back out, and while I am in this new life phase, I'm using HerGivenHair wigs to help me just navigate and just feel feminine, and so that not much changes with my look from previous or before. So this is a partnership with HerGivenHair. I'm going to bring to you two different styles with this wig unit that I got and just show you how it looks. I absolutely love the wig. So obviously I am completely bald. So yes, I am so grateful and thankful for the hair and that it's affordable. So let's get into the video. I am going to wash it in the sink right here.
First things first, I'm going to drench the wig in water and just kind of work it through with my comb.
And I'm just raking that leave-in conditioner through the hair.
And then now I added the conditioner. I'm just working it through as well with my unbrushed brush and then going in with my detangling shower comb. Okay guys, go ahead and cut your wig to your particular style or however you would like. This wig is pretty much customizable. Next, I'm going to apply the Douse Mousse Def Texture Foam styling product, and I'm going to use a generous amount of this stuff. You pretty much want it to be thoroughly distributed and evenly dispersed throughout your hair. You don't want some parts having more product than the other, or else you'll get parts that are just more poofy and less defined. But after that, I'm working the product through my hair using my unbrushed brush and just pretty much detangling and getting the product through at the same time. Alright guys, don't forget to work out those ends, okay? And then the last step, I'm going to go in with my shower comb and just work the product again with this tool to achieve a more uniform curl. And guys, I'm done. This is what it's looking like. I'll pretty much come back tomorrow.
Okay guys, it has been 24 hours later and the wig is completely dry. I am so pleased with the results. It has so much movement, so much body, but most of all, it is so realistic. I cannot recommend this wig enough. And no, I'm not just saying this because I partnered with HerGivenHair for this video. Because in fact, I used my own coins to purchase this wig. And about a year and a half to 2 is when I first got introduced to the company and I purchased their kinky straight clip-ins. And I pretty much used the clip-ins whenever we had like a special event or photo shoot, and I wore them down, okay? I still have them and they still look good. But for the purposes of this video, I am grateful that I have the wig for right now to help me with my transition as I navigate, you know, shorter hair. I just think it's such an asset and I just could not get keep. I had to come and share it with you guys. So check my description box below. I have a discount code for you guys and I hope it's helpful like it's been helpful for me. And no, I don't think you have to be going through a life phase with your hair or balding or anything like that. If you just need more time or more manageability or you want versatility, I feel like this wig can help you achieve that. You can do different colors, different styles. So it definitely is a great value and asset and it's super realistic. But in this video, I showed you how to achieve an Afro-West high volume style with some definition, and then next I'm going to show you a twist style. So let's get started.
Okay, so we're prepping the wig again and it's the same exact steps as before, just drenching it with water and then lightly working that water through. Next, I'm just applying a generous amount of leave-in conditioner and raking it through with my hands before going in with my brush.
You see how easy this is? I'm just holding the wig in place. Style it, so I'll be using Donna's Recipe Extra Creamy Hair Cream. And I think I'm gonna do these kind of chunky. And just like with my natural hair, I'm focusing on the ends. I'm not sure if there'll be like a learning curve on how to style this type of hair texture. My hair is a little bit kinkier than the wig. Like I said, I have 4A, 4B, 3C, very little 3C, mostly 4A, 4B. Well, this is the twist. Alright guys, I think that took me like 10 minutes or less. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna let it dry 24 hours and then show you guys the results. But it's a twist out, super easy to do. And I'm just pop off the wig and put it on my nightstand to dry and go about my day. Alright, it is completely dry. So let's take it down. Let's do our twist out. I have some hair oil. It's Donna's Recipe Strength Hair Oil by Tabitha Brown. I love her line. So I'm just gonna grease up my hands so that I don't cause snagging as I do the takedown. So just a little oil on my palms. Okay, I unraveled all the twists and I think it looks good. Okay. I'm gonna unravel it some more, so I did one unravel and I think I'm gonna do each twist twice. So for instance, let me take this. That. I think I keep the front ones. Just for some more definition in the front. So this is what it's given after taking a twist out. So you can see you can do twist outs, you can do wash and goes, you can do mousse and have them more afro-esque with still a little bit of texture in it. Just different ways you can style this hair. It is human hair and I think it looks really natural, really good. Okay, look at me. Could be you too. But yeah, the other things I just wanted to show you really quickly that the package came with is this elastic band. You could clip it on inside of your wig and it just creates a more snug fit. And you can adjust the length and width, and then it came up with some extra combs. My wig is called the Shake and Go Full Wig, no bangs. And the texture is Coily, which is a 3C to 4A. And I think it's depending on how you style it, it's like what it will look like. So this is the twist out, and I love it. The hair color is a natural color, so I didn't pay extra. You can pay extra to have it dyed, and they have all different colors like reddish, amber, blonde-esque, and obviously black. And then the cap size is a one size fit all, and the hair length is 16 inches. I won't do anything shorter than 16 inches personally. Okay guys, so it's been a week and this is what the wig is looking like. It pretty much looks the same. There wasn't that much difference from day 2 to 3, which is why I waited 4 days before coming back on camera. And yes, there is a little bit more volume, but I suspect you can, you know, rock your twist out for like 2 weeks, even, maybe more. At the end of the day, you take your wig off, you place it on your nightstand, and that's it. So it pretty much held up its shape. You know, I worked out, I ran errands. I just really tried to give the wig like a test to see, you know, how it would hold up, and it's good. 10 out of 10. I would definitely highly recommend. I am even looking forward to my next wig purchase. I am thinking about the wig with the bangs. I think it gives a slightly different look and aesthetic, so I'm excited to try that one. I don't know if I'm gonna do coily, which is this texture, which is similar to my natural texture, or try something different and just experiment with the curly. But I figured out a configuration that works with wearing the wig. So with it shifting and just trying it on multiple times, I realized that if I left like a little bit of my hair out in the front, it gives the most natural look. So that's what I did, and I'm gonna show you. You see that? You can hardly distinguish. Like, is it a wig? Is it my hair? You don't know, all right? But anywho, I appreciate you guys for watching and supporting this channel. If you're into this type of content, if you've been enjoying my videos, please subscribe and turn on those post notifications. I post here once a week, and I would love to have you guys as part of the Ham fam. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.